Guys, gonna go floating today, and I just attach a little GoPro holder attachment at the tip. Alrighty, hello guys. I just finished taking a shower, and honestly the next step, or the next thing I'm about to do, is one of my favorite things to do as far as self-care or my hair care routine. And as you can see, my hair is soaking wet. Well, not soaking, but it is pretty wet, and I'm about to do a little bit of hair plopping because I have been trying my best to wear my natural curls a lot more often, and hair plopping is the only way for me to kind of wear them naturally while also looking pretty and healthy. So I finished taking a shower, like I mentioned. I'm gonna go ahead and spray the Redken 25 Benefits all-in-one treatment. This is what it looks like. My hairstylist recommended it to me, and it's great for whatchamacallit, detangling, taking away frizz, and there's just like a lot of benefits in here. It reduces dryness, detangles, instant results, ideal for cutting lotion, primes hair for styling, helps prevent breaking from brushing, etc., etc. You can honestly just Google, or I'll list all of the benefits on the screen, but I like to spritz this all over like so. And then the key product, in my opinion, is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Style Milk. This is what it looks like. And honestly, I don't even use the little pump. I just take off the lid, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and run my fingers through my hair like so, like that, and then you're gonna go ahead and start scrunching. I don't know if you guys can hear, but you can tell that my hair is wet, and I heard that the wetter it is, the better. Oh my god, there's a baby gecko. So now you want to go ahead and get your t-shirt or a microfiber towel. I honestly prefer my t-shirt, but I did buy this at Target, so we're gonna go ahead and try it out. Twist it. I'm just gonna go ahead and twist it in the back, and then there you have it. This is hair plopping, something that I recently started doing, and I've been really enjoying the results. And I try to leave it on for as long as I can. Usually if I do it in the morning time, I like to plop my hair, and then I do my makeup, and by the time my makeup is done, it's still kind of damp, but it'll dry out like that. Or you can diffuse it if it's still super wet, or you can throw it back into a plop for as long as you can or you have in your day. So now it's time to make some dinner. I think tonight I'm gonna do chicken alfredo pasta. It is my second time making it, but this is a brand new recipe that I'm following. This guy on TikTok made it, and I was like, I have to try it because it looks so good. And I think alfredo pasta, like chicken alfredo pasta or shrimp alfredo pasta, is probably my favorite type of pasta there is. So we're gonna go ahead and try it out. I have the chicken on the sink right now. It's been marinating pretty much since I went surfing, and it's still kind of hard, but I think for the most part it's good to go. So besides the chicken, you're gonna need heavy whipping cream, obviously, for the sauce. Also gonna need butter. I also have Parmesan cheese, obviously our pasta, minced garlic, onion. We're gonna go ahead and dice this up. Then for seasoning, we have onion powder, oregano leaves, garlic powder, paprika, Cajun seasoning, Old Bay seasoning, and then last but not least, red crushed peppers. And this is totally optional, I believe. It's up to you, but I love spicy food, so we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of it. So let's go ahead and start cooking the chicken first because it's gonna take the longest, and then we'll do the rest. Alright guys, I just finished eating dinner. It was actually really delicious and I'm very proud of myself for making that tonight. I do have a lot of leftovers, which is fine, so I have something to eat tomorrow for lunch or probably for dinner. But right now I am about to make myself a cup of tea. I made this little concoction of lemon and ginger and then some water, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour some on my cup, microwave it, and then when it's hot and ready I'm going to go ahead and pour a tablespoon of honey. I like drinking this every single night, not only when I'm feeling sick because it keeps my immune system up. And then after that I'm going to take a little shot of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has a lot of great benefits for you, so I like to pour a little bit on a cup and then diffuse it in water. It's so easy to make. All you have to do is chop up some lemons and then ginger. You can also add garlic cloves and keep it in the fridge. Once you're finished with all the juices, the water, you can just go ahead and pour more water and then let it sit there for a couple days, and then to warm it you just put in a little mug and put in the microwave for 2 minutes and drizzle some honey, and then there you have it. I did add a little bit more water because I know it's not going to be fully full, so I like to just we have the lemon and ginger left over, and you can honestly just pour water in here and let it marinate until the next time that you're going to drink from. I have some of the lemon pulp in there and I think a little bit of ginger. Now you're going to take your honey, and you can honestly use a measuring spoon if you want, but I kind of just eyeball it, and I'm pretty sure I put more than 1 teaspoon because I like the taste of honey. Just kind of squeeze it, and honey's good for you guys, okay? So also my mug is from Target if you guys were wondering, but let me go ahead and just sit that out for a few minutes because it's a little bit hot. But while it's sitting on the side, I want to show you guys my new Aloha collection bag that I just got today. Look how cute she is, guys. Oh, that's so good, guys. That is so good. I'm gonna go ahead and take this on the couch, take this, drink this, and then have Love Island playing in the background. This is also usually the time that I like to look over my planner and my Google Calendar for the next day, and I also just like to clear up any random messages I have in my inbox. I think I've had this for about like maybe 2, almost 3 hours now. I also just did my skincare. Today I did my Paula's Choice little exfoliant, and then I used the Drunk Elephant vitamin C. I usually use the vitamin C in the morning time, but I haven't been because I ran out of my Dr. Gross peel, and I like to combine both of those. And for moisturizer, I'm using the La Roche-Posay Double Repair Matte Moisturizer. And then I also just kind of massage a little bit of the La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Balm B5. This is really great for up and coming pimples or like acne. I feel like it kind of calms them down. I'm sure you guys can see that my skin is freaking out on this side right now, and I'm pretty sure that's from like all the dairy that I've been eating. That's okay because she's still glowing. She's glowing here. She's also glowing on this side, but she's going through it. She's going.